Alright guys, there's date and time on a Garmin Furnace 620. And right now we're currently standing in the hallway of the Best Western Maritime Inn in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. In this video, we're going to take a ride on our elevator, which is down that little hallway there. Now, originally this hotel did not have an elevator when it was built sometime in, I have to say maybe the 80s or 70s was when this hotel was first built. Judging by the sound of that elevator, it seems to be a HydroFit. But it wasn't until 2020 when COVID began when they installed this elevator. So this was added in for ADA compliance. It was not originally here, but now this hotel has an elevator. Well, at least for the main part of the hotel. That part does not have any connection. You actually cannot connect from the second floor in this part of the building to the second floor in that part of the building. So the elevator only serves this main portion of the building, but I suppose it's not a big deal since there's only a few rooms in that part. I'm going to let that lady go. Seems like it might be an MRL since, actually maybe the machine room is back there. The door's locked, but I don't know, maybe this is a non-MRL or an MRL, but either way it's still a HydroFit. So with that said, we'll take a ride in this elevator. Looks like a newer Otis model. It's got a white button instead of a blue one. Okay. Here's the elevator. Now I'm going to head up to 2. It's like a Newer Series 2. Here we're up at 2. That's right down to 1. I'll get CAD view. Looks pretty nice for a new installation. It's a little dirty though. So here's your floor indicator right there. Camera side of focus, there it goes. Otis nameplate. Here are your key switches. Here are your fixtures. And here's your phone right there. So I'm going to exit the elevator. Watch it close up. That was fast. There it goes. And that's going to be it.